Today we are leaving to the beach. A very last minute decision for us. We have been talking about it for like a week already, but we finally decided last night. So today is Friday. We're gonna be there until Sunday. We're going for Father's Day, so it's Father's Day weekend. My daddy's finally able to go fishing. He has been wanting to go fishing for a very long time, so we finally got the opportunity to go to the beach. I'm gonna actually give him his gift today, I think, because the gift I got him, I don't know if I'll be comfortable taking it to the beach and like leaving it there at the hotel. So I think I'm just gonna do that. You'll see what I'm talking about. But yeah, let's go. Okay, it's 6:22. My dad barely got back from doing an oil change and some other stuff, and we are on our way to the beach now. I did have porch pickup today, so if you follow my small business, you'll know exactly what that is. If not, then go follow it. Who's ready to go fishing? Okay, you're gonna open your gifts a little earlier today, sir. So come over here. What's that? I'm not gonna tell you that, you gotta wait. We have another one.
The one that made you Dad while you're celebrating.
Anyways, that one's from his main favorite daughter. He likes to. London. We're going to London. We're manifesting it, sir. You're gonna open it. I don't know. You tell me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
¿Quién fue? ¿Quién fue el regalo? Thank you. Love you. No iba a regalo a la noche como quiera.
Oh my gosh. You're an ugly father. Okay, we're just gonna leave it like this. Okay, let's go to the beach. We came to pick up my balloon. I think we're gonna get there like at 10:30. 10:30.
I think we're gonna get there. I think we're gonna get there at like 10:50 because it takes too long.
It's like a 2-hour drive, but with the stops and everything, so maybe 10:30, 11 the latest. Up to get mini tacos. We were gonna get them from our go-to spot, but they weren't there. That was crazy samba. We stopped at the sea place, and hopefully they're good. I got cabeza. Usually I get lengua, but let's try how the cabeza is. And then the people are also set up selling agua frescas. And some man's also selling corn over there, but I think the man's already setting up, so the corn's not gonna be ready. But yeah, we're hungry. I only ate like egg and tostada thingy earlier, and I'm hungry.
You're gonna want an agua, Rika?
What agua do they have?
They have piña, strawberry horchata, watermelon, and what more?
I'll try
And melon.
strawberry horchata.
Erika wants strawberry horchata.
Horchata but strawberry.
What is it?
It's like a milk, like a cinnamon milk rice thing, but I don't know.
I said watermelon.
I think they got watermelon. We were fine. We're gonna share.
¿Quieres una agua, abuelo?
No, yo tengo agua. Ahí está mi mamá, le llevan porque no, cada rato corre.
Where's mama? Where's mama? Your strawberry horchata.
Sit down. What are you gonna do? You need to sit.
Can you try it? Like strawberry milk.
No lo sabía, mija.
Oh my god, Andra. She got a Coke. Well, I need a little bit more ice, but it's good, decent. These are the cabeza. They got asada, and me, my mommy, and daddy got cabeza, and I don't know, my abuelo got something. I finished mine. I rated a 6 out of 10. Needed a little bit more flavor, but that's why I choose the lengua. In general, I never like cabeza. If it was a We got food. It's currently 8 o'clock. We gotta get on the road already. The jalapeno fell in Pearl's bag. Uh-oh. My dad's gonna give some food to this man that's over here. Hold up. No. Or for later. Who knows? Oh, there's more people. So he's telling them, I think.
The next day.
Yes, go. Okay. We are gonna go to the beach today.
I'm shaking.
In the way?
I'm shaking.
Put your finger in the way.
You look scary, stop. Hurry up!
Good morning. We're gonna go to the beach. We haven't ate because they don't got breakfast in the hotel. I don't know why not. That's it. They did. But
You're gonna be nervous right there.
And then we're gonna go to the beach and then we're gonna meet up with my tia Grace and tia Alex because they are here. Yeah. How's night?
Yep, bye.
We have arrived to the Port Aransas area. We are in Port Aransas. We usually stay on the opposite side, so that's where we get the ferry. Hopefully one year we're able to stay on this side because it'll be like easier on us to go to the beach, but it's okay. It's a tradition. We go on the ferry for a reason. We're like 5-10 minutes out. We stop by to get some bait because my dad's gonna go fishing, and then my tia and tios and cousins, they're at the beach. They've been there for like a few hours already, so I'm excited. It is raining, but I'm gonna go in the water for a little bit, and then yeah, because the weather is not cooperating, and hopefully the waves are not like crazy either. You have to say something else, Sunny?
No, I don't want it.
You don't want it? Okay. No, I can't go. We'll see. Yeah, there's a zip line. I already showed you because they already did the new playground. Yeah, it was like wood, and this one is like, y'all seen it. I'm gonna show y'all like later when we go today, and then I think tomorrow we're gonna go to, but I don't know what's going on. There's like canopies there, and where the park is at, which is like different, weird. There's a pavilion, but there's like more canopies, so let's see if they have something going on again. Like last time we came to the beach, they had like some fishing competition. Speaking of that, I have to look it up to make sure to see when that is gonna be or what, to see if my daddy is able to do it or something this year or in the future, or if somebody knows any information, let me know. Arrived to the beach, like literally nobody's in the water. The weather feels good. It's gonna start raining on us. It's time for them to take their little walk. We already walked somewhat over there, but she saw brother. They go walking, Manolo? We left the beach. We are eating Whataburger now. I got number 13 and I got the burgers. My dad's over there getting the fishing rods because they're gonna go fishing. And I don't know if my dad Grace and Alex are gonna come later or what, but my Welo's showing y'all his chicken tender. We finished eating and now it's time to take the doggy in the bath because they stinkers. Manolo Berry, you gonna take a bath? And then sister's over there waiting. My abuelo requested to take a video or a picture of the birdies. Get her, Pearl, get her. Get her, Pearl, get her. Get her, Pearl, get her. We're just gonna take a bath, okay? And then you, or I don't know, maybe we'll put them together. Huh? Oh, I know, but we're gonna take my bath over there. If not, have it be in the sink or throw them in the water over there. I'm taking care of my daddy fish. Look at how the dolphin's nice. We're back. We're back. School's done now. Bella, it's your turn. Oh, done, right, Pearl? We came to bring Pearl with mommy and daddy, but look at you. That thing's huge. That thing's huge. I got the fish. Alright, it's on there, girl. We're back in the hotel, and we're craving something chocolatey. I told my parents I was gonna go with them to the store, but they told me no. She was over here asking, can we boil eggs in here? This girl wants the freaking boiled eggs in the hotel. You know how disgusting that is? Like, sorry if somebody does that, right? But that's disgusting.
Hey guys,
What?
look.
Yeah, you already showed them. You already did the ASMR. Oh, you didn't show them the Oreo one last time.
I got it at a gas station, so you can take it off. It's called Dovios. And
He's over here showing the slime and they're over there ordering pizza.
my boo. It's
12, I
rice.
think. Wow.
I have a needle.
They close at 5 in the morning. I would.
Oh my god, Dad.
He literally just sucks his
My parents got back from the grocery store and most likely Domino's, so we're gonna go help them right now and start eating because we're a little hungry. Y'all took forever.
Give me the towels
Y'all
in
took
the back.
forever.
Huh?
Where is he? Oh,
Oh,
we're looking for ice bags.
give me
The pizzas and the bags and the sodas and the snacks are secured. What do you say? What do you say?
I said stop eating already. That's enough.
Whatever.
Not gonna eat
You're the.
towel.
He's the one who's like, y'all want donuts? So like, do you want donuts?
No, I don't want those donuts. I want a regular HEB donut.
I
I didn't
know.
have any.
We're not in San Antonio all the time. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.
Ya quitamos todo. Echándole ganas. Igualmente.
Cuidas mucho.
Siempre.
Háblala. Que digan lo que dice.
Pinche abuelo.
El abuelo más chingón. ¡Chao!
El abuelo más chico pendejo.
El abuelo. Manolo, you have your outfit on ready going to the Hamptons? Yeah, you wanna go? You had a good time today? Fist bump if you enjoyed it. Alright, you did it. You're ugly, Dad. Cause it's goat cheese.
Y'all want some?
Everybody got their food. I got French toast. I got fish with grits, pancake, BLT, hot honey chicken, pork belly. Talk about ham and everything like that. My daddy got blueberry pancakes. They're gonna bring it right now.
Normal, just normal.
So ugly. You're gonna go fly, Pearl. Hold on. While we're at the beach, the men were here fishing because it's Father's Day and they got their time to be without us. So how was the fishing, Father? How was the fishing, sir? 3 sharks?
Maybe shark.
Are you being for real?
No.
I was like, I don't know if it's for real or not. How much longer here?
20 minutes.
You said 20 minutes like 15 minutes ago. It's Father's Day, Mom.
That's why I'm not saying nothing.
And you, Pearl, you're in here. Yeah, chill in here, okay? You'll be fine. They're doing a TikTok and Thea's gonna go. You haven't even noticed. But it's not even them, they're just like looking at another audio. So now they're doing it. I knew her finger. Which one? To practice by laying down and doing like bicycles. There you go.
El caballo. Hombre, ¿ya qué pasó?
He took it very serious, guys. He said we have to go to school and learn this.
He's giving us schooling so we can do the TikTok.
Ay, come What are you gonna do?
El abuelo muy chingón, se llama lagartijas. Lagartijas medias.
We are officially heading out back home from the Already vlog. We enjoyed Father's Day to everybody out there, and we'll see you in the next one.